He's an ugly little spud, isn't he?
I think he can hear you, Ray.
Don't move. It won't hurt you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So, it's, as of me making this video, it's just before midnight, and earlier tonight, it was brought to my attention via Twitter. One of you guys actually reached out to me on Twitter and sent me a message saying that there was a leaked image from the Ghostbusters haunted house at Halloween Horror Nights here at Universal Studios Orlando, and I was very intrigued by it. You sent me a link to a Reddit post, and I went over to the Reddit, and sure enough, there was an image from inside the Ghostbusters house that was leaked online. Looking at the image here, it looks like they are recreating the Slimer scene from the original Ghostbusters movie, and this is a very iconic scene where you see where Bill Murray gets slimed by the Slimer, and it is very, very cool. And it looks like they are using a Pepper's Ghost effect with panes of glass and a projection down the hallway. It looks very, very interesting, and you can see they have the Slimer right there projected onto the glass, and I can imagine that this isn't going to be stationary at all. The projection is going to have the Slimer coming down the hallway, coming at you and getting bigger and just rushing guests. Now, my primary concern with this effect is how is it going to reset? How is it going to look if you're walking down the hallway, you see the effect as it finishes, and when it starts over again? I really hope that this effect isn't dependent on your perfect timing to make the effect actually look good. But I feel like this effect is going to be absolutely spot on, and I feel like this effect is going to be used multiple times throughout the house. I completely expect them to use physical props for this house, for the ghosts, whether they use puppets or just standalone props. I know for a fact that they're going to use multiple projections. This is not going to be the only projection in the house, and I know that Universal is going to do a damn good job with this house, with the set design, the details, and every little thing that they can get right in this house, they have to get right. Universal cannot screw up this house. Now, you guys are probably asking, who leaked this image? Where did this image come from? Well, doing a little bit more research through the Reddit post, this image was posted on Instagram by a glass company in Orlando, Florida called Top Quality Glass and More. They took this picture from inside the haunted house. I guess they were hired by Universal to work on this haunted house and provide the glass, and they just wanted to show off their work. So I'm gonna put the picture up here. They posted this onto their Instagram, and I guess it was quickly taken down. Universal was on them like white on rice and demanded that they take it down, but it wasn't up for very long, and however long it was, that was enough time for people to take screenshots and post it online, and it is now making the rounds through Twitter. So this effect has completely been leaked, and it is out there. People know that this scene is going to be in the house. We know that what this effect is going to look like, and it kind of sucks. It honestly kind of sucks, because I know that this house was very anticipated, and this house is my actually most anticipated house so far for this year. I love the Ghostbusters. I'm very much so looking forward to this house, but it kind of sucks that this got leaked. You know, leaks are never really a good thing, but at the same time, this post right here just got me even more excited for this house. I cannot wait to go into this house, and I can't wait to see this effect in full effect, for lack of better words. I can't wait to see this thing in its use when I'm there, and I know it's going to be absolutely fantastic. This house is going to rock. Universal is not going to screw up this house, because they can't screw up this house. Ghostbusters is such a beloved series, and the original movie is so beloved by many. It's got a lot of fans out there. If Universal screws up this house, then they don't deserve to do anything else. I mean, you're gonna have riots, and Universal Twitter is not going to be kind to Universal Studios if they screw up this house. So I'm super excited for this house. This image it's very interesting. Clearly, it's from Orlando. Whether or not they have the same effect in Hollywood, I bet they will have something similar. But when it comes to particular IP houses, Universal Orlando and Universal in Hollywood sometimes vary in their effects. Not all the times are their effects going to be very similar. I know one particular example is with The Shining, with the blood coming out of the elevator. The effect that they had in Orlando looked very, very good, and the effect that they had in Hollywood looked very, very bad. So I don't expect this same company to be out in Hollywood doing it. Hollywood probably has their own company, so we'll see exactly how the two houses combine with each other. But what do you guys think about this? Let me know down in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this leaked image for the Ghostbusters haunted house in Universal Studios Orlando's Halloween Horror Nights? Are you guys excited about this house? Are you guys how do you guys feel about the leak? Just let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below on your thoughts with this leak. I apologize for this video being super short. I apologize if I sound super tired. Again, it is just before midnight that I am filming this video. I wanted to get this video out to you guys because it's super interesting. It's really, really interesting what's going on and how this image leaked and how Universal was quick to take it down. But again, it's already making its rounds through Twitter, so I wasn't gonna make a video, but I figured it was alright and I'll go ahead and do it because again, it's already making its rounds on Twitter. So by the time you wake up in the morning, by the time you're watching this, you're gonna open Twitter and you're probably gonna see this image all over the place. So let me know what you guys think of this down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new and you want to see more, ring that notification bell, get notified every time I upload a new Halloween Horror Nights video to the channel. Get yourself updated and notified. I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening, and if you're just waking up, I hope you're all having a wonderful morning and have a wonderful day. I will see you guys in the next video.